Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia and I am the owner of Yarntail Crochet Co. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back! Today's video is more of a crochet blog. I take you with me to Michael's and we got literally I'm lying. We didn't get one skein of yarn. I got some cotton yarn as well. But I did go with the intention of only buying one skein of yarn to finish up an order, and I did get that one. And then I wanted to try something new, so I bought some cotton yarn, which is something I don't usually use, but I was like, you know what, for this project I'm gonna use cotton yarn. And I recently learned how to make bandanas, so there is a little clip in there as well of me just like making my bandana and like adding the little cream, but like they're so cute. So I'm gonna be adding bandanas to my shop soon. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen the new pattern that I've added to my shop, and that's Skelly Boy, and he is so squishy. Now, I made Skelly Boy last year, and he was a smaller acrylic version, so I was like, I need to make a plushy version of him, and he's so cute. So now I got like father and son. It's a little morbid, but it's cute. Look at how cute they are. I also just want to take this time to say a huge thank you to everybody who has supported my shop. Within the last week, I've gotten 4 sales. That's like the most sales I've ever gotten in 1 week. One happened to be a physical item, which was a rose that I finished off yesterday, and it is now shipped off to its new home in Texas, and it was for her boyfriend, and that's the cutest thing ever, so I really hope you love your rose. There is a little clip of me crocheting the sepal with my new favorite toy. This thing is amazing. You like clip your phone here and you wear it around your neck. I'm gonna demonstrate. Look at, oh, and then you like put your phone here and then you can like record what's in front of you. I had the biggest issue recording myself crocheting because there was always stuff in my way. So I got this off of Amazon. I will link it down below. It's so fun. It's cool. I love it. And like you can use it for hikes or like biking, like whatever you want to use it for. This is great. And the magnet is like super strong. So I'm not like affiliated with it or anything. I just so far really enjoy it. Another thing you may notice is a little different in this video. I have taken over this bookshelf. This bookshelf is now all yarn. So I have my caked yarn up here and then I have skeins of yarn down here. There's a little clip later on that shows you what it actually looks like, but I spent so much time caking these like half skeins, so I didn't realize how much yarn I actually have, and now I need to use it up. So I am going to be basically market prepping for a market that I don't officially have yet, and I'm going to be stocking up on like roses, bandanas. I've also recently started making scrunchies because I use scrunchies a lot, but all I have are like these. So I was like, I'm just going to make myself a bunch of scrunchies, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to put them in the shop because why not? Let's just add stuff to the shop. Another thing that I may have bit the bullet on is that I am starting my own website. So I recently signed up for Shopify. Again, not affiliated. This is not a paid promotion. But yeah, I'm going to be opening up my Shopify store soon. I had one years ago for like a jewelry business that I had, and it was very easy to use. So that's why I was like, you know what, I'm going to jump on board the Shopify train again, and I am currently working on that site, so stay tuned for that. So I think that's enough talking for now. Let's get into the video. After that successful mission, I did end up throwing in a few skeins of Loops and Threads cotton yarn as well, and I got like a couple rainbow ones. So I got like the unsaturated rainbow and like the bright rainbow, and then I also got cream and I got black, and that was when I then headed over to my mother-in-law's house, and my little one went for a swim while I crocheted. Here's that video. yarn barf with the cream cotton. I was trying to get the middle out, but I just could not find it, so I had a little bit of fun, you know, detangling. So that was my bandana that I made. That's this one here. I added some little ties, and they're super cute. And I had it on my daughter for the rest of the day because my daughter's not a big fan of wearing hats, but because she's so like fair and her hair's blonde, she was out in the sun all day, and I was worried she was gonna get burnt on her head. So I threw this on her hair just to protect her scalp from getting burnt. But I mean, look at how cute it is, right? I have a very flat head, so like it's very difficult for me to wear bandanas, but like look how cute. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a bunch of cotton bandanas, and I'm gonna be adding them to the shop sometime this week after I have them all made and all my pictures are taken. Cute. Next little clip is just me finishing up that supple like I told you guys in the beginning when I was using my fancy little neck recording device thing. Like I said, I love it. So yeah, this is just me making the supple to finish off my rose that got sent off to Texas. Hi guys, it's a beautiful Tuesday. We are just on our way to ship away my order. Yay! Right, Lovey? Yay! I was honestly expecting my daughter to be a little bit more yay, but it's fine. That reaction was funny, so it works for me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was super fun to make. I definitely got out there a little bit more outside of my comfort zone with different, like, you know, crochet things in it. So I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit the notification so that you can be notified of my next video. And until then, I will see you guys later. Happy crocheting!